Okay, YouTube, I'm back again, and the cat's just jumped on my lap. Sorry about the jumping. I thought I'd just show you my haul from today. So we'll start with the Phalaenopsis, and these are all species. I've got 3 new species. So Cornu curvy or Cornu cervi. This is from Orchid I Nursery. I'll just turn this around so you can see. Give him a plug, hey? He's a grower who lives in the very south of our state, and it's cold growing down there. But he comes up to Perth regularly and gives us discounts on his orchids. He knows he's going to make a mint when he comes to see us. Thank you, David. This is Hieroglyphica var alba by Self, and I bought this from a South Australian grower. Oh, nothing on the back of that. This is from Western Orchids. He's from Adelaide. This is another one of David's plants. It's a Sarcochilus. So again from Orchid I, and it's called Jennifer's Joy by Charm. Coppers by Amber Yellow. So hopefully we'll get some nice colourful sark out of that one. And there's another sark here, again by the South Australian grower. It's, let me have a look at the label. There you go, Fitzheart Magenta by Orange Glow Flame by Fiery Glow Red Velvet. Well, with all that red and orange in it, I guess I'm going to have a very colourful Sarcochilus flower very soon. Maybe next year, he said. So that's 2 sarks. And here is another Phalaenopsis species from a local grower, my mate Pete. Hi Pete. I have to get you to watch this one. And it's Fimbriata, which is a cool grower. And the prices of these range from, I got all the ones I got from David at Orchid I got 6 plants for $50. So that's just a bit under $10. So 5 into 60, so I don't know, just under $10 for the, which one was it I got from him? The Cornu cervi. And the one from South Australia, this one, was $27.50. So that had to travel a couple of thousand kilometres and pay all the dues and fees that are relevant to coming across a border in Australia. Sorry, I'm just readjusting the iPad. Yeah, so quite a difference in price there, and Peter's plant was $15, so a big variation. So now we'll go to the hybrids, and firstly we've got an Oncidium Rosy Sunset Rosebud, a very, very highly perfumed plant. I'm not even sure if I might already have one of these, but I can never have enough of these tiny little Oncidiums. I love them. And here's a bigger one, Odontocidium Parquet Uptown Girl. That'd be a good one for Billy Joel, wouldn't it? Beautiful colours. And this one is a Bialara Tropical Tom Paleface. And these are all really good sized plants. Whoops-a-days. And an even bigger one, Wilsonara Tan Treasures Lavender Picotee. I think I've already got one that's very similar to that. Never mind, doesn't matter. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plants which I've just bought from the Intersociety Display and Workshop. So I'm very much the poorer. Okay, that's it for my haul. I'll be posting this with the 2 videos that I took at the actual display. Bye for now.